Now let's implement factorial of a number using recursion concept. Okay. So first, let me take the number which I want to obtain the factorial. Okay. So int of input of, you can read that particular number. Okay. Enter value of n. Okay. So then let's call the function which is fact function by passing n as the parameter. Okay. So we can display like this: factorial of given number is. Okay. So we can call a function, for example, fact of n. Okay. So let me define this function which is fact function. Okay. Now whenever you write recursion, you will be writing base condition and recursive calls, right? So here for factorial program, the base condition is whenever value of n is 0 or 1, okay, you can directly return 1, isn't it? So let me check here. If n double equal to 0 or n double equal to 1, in that case we can return 1. Okay. If suppose this condition is false, then it will go to the else block and you can return n into fact of n minus 1, because 5 factorial can be computed as 5 into 4 factorial, and 4 factorial can be computed as 4 into 3 factorial, and 3 factorial can be computed as 3 into 2 factorial, and so on like this, right? So here the formula will be a return n into fact of n minus 1. Okay. So let's run this. Enter value of n. I'm entering value of n as 4. So you can see here factorial of the given number is 24. 4 factorial is 24. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 24. Okay. Like this.